Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 6 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are imperative mood. What do you mean by imperative mood? Imperative mood is a mood in which we are commanding or requesting or wishing or advising or ordering. That is called as imperative mood. So let us understand few of the sentences in this mood where it is maybe an advice or an order, or you can say it's a request or wish. These all come in the category of imperative mood. So let us understand few of the sentences in this mood. So let us start with the first one. Look ahead. Ahead is सामने. Look is देखो. So you are ordering somebody, commanding somebody that he should look straight. That is सामने देखो. Look ahead. सामने, that is ahead. देखो, look. So look ahead. Go ahead. Go is आगे. बढ़ो ahead. आगे बढ़ो, go ahead. So you are again commanding, ordering that you should go ahead, go further. Next step, that is आगे बढ़ो. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Again a command. You are commanding that to drive the car slowly, at a slow speed. So गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. So drive slow. धीरे slowly. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Mind your own business. अपना काम करो. That is mind your own business. Business is your work, own work. So mind it, that is do your own business. Go back. वापस जाओ. That is go back. Back is वापस, जाओ, go back. That is again a command that you need to go back. That is वापस जाओ. Just listen. Maybe a teacher can say this kind of sentence, that just listen to me. सुनिए तो. That at least listen to me. सुनिए is listen. At least try to listen to the things. So सुनिए तो. That is just listen. Try to listen to me. Come soon. Soon is jaldi. Come is आना. So come soon. That is jaldi आना. That is again an order. Maybe a parent can say to his child that child should come early after his play. Come soon. Jaldi आना. Or maybe somebody is going, you can say at that time that come again soon. That is jaldi आना. Let me see. मुझे देखने दो. That means Let me see. See is देखना, मुझे देखने दो. That is let me see. What's the matter? Sometimes we say let me see what is the matter. Let me look into the matter. So let me see, मुझे देखने दो. Be ready. That is तैयार रहना. That is when we are going somewhere, we say always say be ready. That is by that time when I reach, you just get ready. तैयार रहना. So be ready. Move aside. That is एक तरफ हो जाओ. Get aside or move aside. Sometimes to excuse somebody we say that just get a little bit side or move aside a little bit. That is एक तरफ हो जाओ. Do come. When we stress that you must come again, do come again. It is important to come again, or it is we are stressing on this fact that just come again. Do come. That is do come again means avashya आना. आना is come. Do come means avashya. Avashya is zarur. Zarur आना. That is do come. It is important. उसकी खबर देना. Inform me about her. That is just inform. Khabar is information. Give me the information about her. उसकी खबर देना. That is inform me about her. That is उसकी खबर देना. मजाक मत करो. That is don't cut jokes. So don't talk rubbish or don't talk senseless jokes, or don't make jokes, don't make fun, don't cut jokes. We used to say in Hindi, for jokes we use mazak. So don't cut jokes. Imperative again, you are ordering that don't utter these kind of jokes. So don't cut jokes. That is mazak mat karo. Don't talk nonsense. Nonsense is bakwas. Mat karo. So don't talk rubbish material, useless talks. So bakwas is nonsense. So don't talk nonsense. Again it's an order. So that don't talk in this way. Don't talk useless words. Bakwas mat karo. Leave me alone. That is, I want to stay alone. You just say that leave me alone. Alone is अकेला. छोड़ना is leave. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Let it be. That means whatever is happening, let it happen that way. Don't interfere. Leave it as it is. So it's जाने दो. Let it be. Leave it as it is. Let it be. कुछ तो ख्याल करो. Have a heart. That means take care of the things. Khayal, that is at least try to understand things. Take care of the things. Have a heart. Hold on. Sometimes maybe on telephonic conversation or Sometimes we ask somebody to hold on for a moment. So that means zara ruko. Rukna is hold. Zara ruko. That is hold on. Never forget. Kabhi mat bhulo. Never forget. Forget is bhulna. Mat bhulo, again command. Never forget. That is kabhi mat bhulo. Don't worry. Worry is tension or maybe some stress. So don't worry. That is fikr. Worry, tension means fikr. So don't worry, again in order. That means fikr mat karo. Please try again. Try is कोशिश करना. जरा फिर कोशिश करें. कोशिश is try. फिर again. जरा फिर कोशिश करें. That means try it again. Please, it's a request. It's not an order here. So you are requesting somebody, but it's again an imperative mood, because imperative mood contains requests, order, command, wish, everything. So it's not an order, it's a request. You are requesting zara fir koshish karo. That is, please try again. Please wait a bit. Waiting is ठहरना. A bit is for a moment. Again request. Please wait a bit. That is, please wait for a moment. For a bit of time. So please wait a bit. आइए. It's a wish. You are asking that please come in. So requesting in a way that please come in. That is आइए. Come is आना. So आइए. Request. Please come in. Please be seated. When you ask somebody to have a seat, to occupy the chair, you request that please be seated. Some guests come to your house. So you say please come in. That is please come in. You request आइए. Then you offer a chair. You say please be seated. That is बैठिए. Make yourself comfortable. Just have a seat. Seat is bed. बैठिए, that is sit down. So you are requesting please be seated. Again request, please reply. Reply is answer, answer back. So उत्तर दीजिए. उत्तर is reply. Please reply. That means उत्तर दीजिए. मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो. Please don't embarrass me. Embarrass is शर्मिंदा. So request that please don't embarrass me. Embarrassment is शर्मिंदा. So don't embarrass me. You're requesting again that please don't embarrass me. Embarrassment is शर्मिंदा. So don't, that means mat. Please don't embarrass me. मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो. So imperative mood contains all type of sentences in which you sometimes wish, you sometimes request, you sometimes order, command. These all sentences come in the category of imperative mood. So in order to learn them better, you can revise them again and again through this session so that you can learn them better, because these are the sentences that we use in our day-to-day routine, day-to-day life, in which it is important to learn to understand basic conversation in Hindi. So try to learn them better through this session. in which we have learnt about various moods of imperative sentences. We have also learned how to order in Hindi. We have also learned how to request, how to wish somebody in Hindi. So in this session you have learnt all about all these things. That is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.